Alright guys, today marks the day. Moving into our new apartment. We're gonna film of the whole equipment area here. You can see. Bam. That's the living room. And a sneak peek, new computer. I have a video, it'll be attached to this at the end. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we're all nice and cleaned up. Everything's all sorted, ready to move. But this is the main part. We still have, of course, the whole living room, the bedroom, the kitchen, just the office area. That's all we've done so far. try this for the third time. Here we go. This isn't complicated. This is our office now. It's awesome. We have a new desk, the triple screen setup back how it should have been. We've done a lot of different things. We had it all mixed and matched in the green screen. I got the GoPro hooked up with the back view while we're playing. Currently exporting the Neo review here, but for wrapping up this video, we'll get the new computer, which I've been using for some time. This is not scripted, but I've done it multiple times because I didn't like how it came out. So, we got the big case. We got everything working together. The fan there had to be connected to a new power source because I guess my motherboard didn't like providing power on the normal CPU slot. Thankfully, it still works. I didn't have to buy a new one. That terrified me for a little bit. We have the Extreme Gaming GTX 1080. That guy is a powerhouse. I've got new connections. You probably can't really see them there. Connections in the front to allow for a VR headset setup. That graphics card wouldn't even fit in this old guy, which is crazy. I didn't think about that when I was first starting, so. It was a lot of fun to put together. It took about 4 hours, I believe, and next time it would probably take far fewer, let's say 2 at most, now that I know each step and how to do everything. Probably maybe have to check videos for refresh my knowledge on a few things, but otherwise, thanks everyone for watching. Hope the Neo review is out. I don't know the order of these things, man. I'm just trying to film it. Have a good one. Peace out.